Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve channels not showing on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve channels not showing or not founding on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. After that you can click on for stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.